YouTube, what's poppin', y'all? It's your boy D Hyde. Just want to welcome you guys back to the channel. Hope everybody's having a wonderful, blessed day. Now, today's video, man, I wanted to talk to you guys about split ends, okay? And I know this is a major thing that goes on, especially for some guys. They have a major problem when it comes to split ends. And I just wanted to share some information with you guys today, some routines, some steps that I take to, I guess, keep my split ends at a minimum. But before we get deep into this video, man, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that notification bell. That way you guys are notified every time your boy D Hyde drops a new video, and it'll keep you up and up on the channel. All right, I'm moving straight into split ends, and what I want to do in this video is I want to call on the help of anyone that comes across this video, any one of my subscribers that deal with split ends, that, you know, did some things that kind of helped them deal with it as far as routines, techniques, products, tools, whatever helped you deal with split ends. Please share in the comment section, and by doing that, it just kind of helps that person that's searching for results when it comes to dealing with their split ends, kind of give them a better idea of how to deal with it. Because I know that there's tons of information on YouTube, there's tons of information on the internet as far as articles and stuff like that, but adding a little something extra as far as, you know, someone that's actually dealt with it, that can give their 2 cents as far as, you know, some steps, some routines, some techniques that they did, will really benefit that person that's looking for an answer. So that's my main focus in this video, man. By no means at all am I expert when it comes to split ends, but this is something that I'm constantly asked here on the channel, even on IG. And I just wanted to use my platform to kind of help someone, like I said, that comes across this channel or this video that may need answers, to look at the comment section and even interact with each other. Now, I am going to share some routines and some steps that may help you when it comes to split ends. But again, I don't have a major problem when it comes to split ends. I have noticed a few here and there, but it hasn't been a major problem for me. All right, and I'm gonna get into all that. Like I said, I'm gonna share some things that I do with my beard that probably keeps my split ends at a minimum. Okay, but I really look forward to hearing what you guys have to say in the comment section about split ends. All right, now when it comes to articles and stuff like that, I came across this really cool article, man, and it just had some common sense things in there that can definitely help you and kind of help guide you in the right direction when it comes to dealing with split ends. Okay, so I would definitely leave the link in the description box so you guys can check it out. And in that article, you know, it talked about things with you know, using blow dryers, the length of your beard, how your beard grows. So it had some really good things in that article that made total sense to me. So with a combination of the comments that I hope I've received on this video, and you checking out the link that I have in the description box about the article, hopefully I can point you in a better direction when it comes to dealing with split ends. All right, now what I want to do is kind of share some things that I've been doing with my beard, I guess, that's been helping me keep my split ends at a minimum. Now, number one, I always condition my beard. All right, and I don't know if that, again, I'm not an expert at this, but I don't know if that has something to do with helping with split ends, but it's something that I've been doing since day one, since I started this beard journey. All right, it definitely helps keep my beard nice and soft, manageable, makes my beard smell good, I guess. All right, but conditioning the beard I think is definitely a key when it comes to you know, helping maintain a nice beard. The second thing that I do to my beard all the time is I oil my beard just about every day. I oil it in the morning and I oil it at night. This is something that's probably more important as your beard starts to grow, as your beard gets bigger. The final thing that I do to my beard, and this is on a regular basis, at least once a month, I will trim my beard. And again, when I say trimming my beard, I'm not talking about, you know, just chopping my beard down. Let's say, for example, and this is just an example, if my beard grows 1/4 of an inch in a month, I would probably take off 1/8 of an inch. All right, so I'm still getting length, but I'm only taking off that 1/8 of an inch from that 1/4 of an inch that I grew. It's funny because, and I want you guys to chime in on this also, every time I trim my beard seems to look a lot healthier, and at times I do notice that my beard looks a little fuller as it starts to grow in. And that, combined with conditioning and oiling, has really helped me with my whole beard journey. All right, again, I'm not a professional or expert at this, man, but those are some of the things that I do when it comes to taking care of my beard, and by doing that, I really haven't noticed a lot of problems with my beard. So with that being said, man, that's my personal experience, my steps that I've taken when dealing with my beard. Again, please leave your comments down below. Share your personal experience or your steps with someone else that may be watching the video, and that way they can kind of get a better understanding of some things that they may be doing wrong, or some things that they can add to their routine to kind of help them with split ends. Okay, but you guys definitely check out that article, read them comments. This is your boy D Hyde. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I want you guys to have a wonderful, safe week. Take care of yourselves, stay blessed, stay safe, and I will catch you guys on the next one. All right, peace out. Today, we're talking about split ends. Let's get it. Oh man.